guys, Mara here, and for today's video, let's have unboxing. And before to mag-unbox, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong videos na inyong makikita. So for today's video, i-unbox na ko ang akong na-receive na gift, na present. And I would like to thank my boyfriend's family from Hungary for sending this gift. Thank you so much. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I hope to see you soon also. This product is DM Balea. I'm not sure if tama ba ako ang pag-pronounce sa product, but I tried to search this one and nindot kayo siyang product, guys. It's really nice because it's vegan, so it's really good for our body. It's good for our skin. Okay, it's good for our skin and our body. So let's get started. Actually, as you can see here, nasa yung mga numbers, guys. Nasa yung mga numbers, and you can choose what number. And then you're going to open it and kita niyo ang iyang product kung sa mo pwede gamiton na ng a day or yeah. And sadly, since gi-travel man siya, siguro sa pag-travel niya kay nangabungkag siya, so that is arranged ang iyang mga products. But it's okay, I'm very excited to open this one. So let's get started. So, na siya, guys. So, it's really good for Christmas present. And actually, na siya report, nakatugang ilahang. Kasi yung mga sulod. So, every number naman siya, kung gusto mo siya. So, let's get started. So, first, So, let's have... okay. So, actually, I don't know what to open now. So, let's have number 24. So, number 24 is... Oh my God. For your eyes. I think this one's for your eyes. Wait. I'm not sure if nakita ba niyo. Kidding. And this one. Let's have number 14. Oh, it's body lotion. Cream. I guess that one is for cream. Oh, so sorry. Oh, wala na siya. So guys, nakahulog na ang upan. Nana siya sa ilalim. Okay, we're going to open this one. Sorry for the unboxing. This is Shanghai. Actually, it's sad because I don't know, because it's it's not English, so I don't understand. But I think it's really nice. So here, this lip balm. Wow, it's really nice. I guess maybe this one is soap. This one. I guess this one is for your hair. It's for the hair. Like peeling, I'm not sure, yeah, peeling. Oh, it's a lot. Thank you so much, body butter for your body. This. Oops. Cream again. I don't know what's this. Maybe it's candle or maybe it's soap. Another. I don't know what's this, guys, but it's like a powder. This one is 2-in-1 for makeup. Pang-wash ata siya. It's, oh, sorry. Winter shampoo. For hands, and this one. And this one, guys, it's cute. And I think for this one is for, oh, maybe for our face. Yeah, because it has cute, so I guess it's for our face, So this is, guys, inside. So it's really nice. A lot. It's really good for for your loved ones if mag-send or maghatag ng present. So yeah, I have a lot of things here inside in one box. So nice kayo siya, and thank you again. I really love it. I can use it every day, and it's really nice. It's really nice because it's vegan, and yeah. It's good for her body again, it's good for her health, it's good for her hair. And yeah, I'm excited to use this. Oh, uh-oh. I'm not sure, is this for our, I guess para matulog? No? Like that. Pwede mo siya pang katulog, yeah. Pang katulog or maybe for your makeup. Like that. Oh, that's nice. And again, so this is my Balea unboxing. DM Balea unboxing. And yeah, thank you so much again to my boyfriend's family for giving this present. I really love it. And so again, this is my unboxing, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. God bless. Bye.